got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Alright, back with another video. So I got a Toughbuilt. This is the 3-piece tradesman set. It's more like the close to the Packout what Milwaukee makes. So this is a similar deal right here. I picked this up at Lowe's. I'm gonna have some links or something. Maybe y'all can pick this up. So I think it's more like a Lowe's exclusive. So I'm gonna have to work that link out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. I got this so I can do the installs and be a little more organized. So I want it to be going through the tool bag. But we're gonna get started. You got to check at your nearest Lowe's or whatnot because it's not always available at every Lowe's. So, you know, that's one of them type of deals. Tell you how I'm going to take this out. I should have did it the other way. I'm going to do it upside down. Should have did that at first, but... Alright, hold on. I wanted one that was in the box because they usually have these outside of the box. They usually have these outside of the box, and then when you get them, they're already beat up. I want to beat my own stuff up. I don't want nobody already have it beat up for me. Yeah, let me do the work on that one. All right. I think this should have been the way I should have did it from the start. That's there. There we go. You know, I know it's a bunch of stuff going around about this company. Might be going out of business, but I don't really know. But I just knew for the price, I couldn't beat it. You know, I hate to tell you the price on here, then you go and you have to pay way more than I paid. So, I guess that don't matter. Let me see. All right, I guess they got that on their backwards. But anyway, go ahead and get it out of there. Okay. I hope the camera been on us the whole. Oh, I hope the camera been on us the whole. Oh. Anyway, y'all know, man, it's a real deal video. Y'all know how I do it. Yeah, so had the camera. I hope the camera was already on the box the whole time, right? It wasn't.
No, you told me that's up to you.
Oh, okay, well, I mean, you know.
Well, you can see some of the box.
Okay. Okay, I guess they don't care no way. Y'all know this is a real deal. I ain't gonna cut none of this out. I'm gonna give y'all just like that. You know, this is the real video. So y'all know I'm giving y'all straight ahead. So this is the what do you call it? The Toughbuilt 3-piece tradesman. They do make a different set where the drawer actually pulls out that way. And this is, like I said, it's 3-piece. So I got my blade here. They make a whole bunch of different stuff too, so you don't have to only get this. Okay. All right. Yeah, I wanted to get this one right here because I'm glad I got the one that wasn't on the display at a couple of the other stores because they look already beat up and I don't like that. So, of course, y'all see the branding and stuff like that to tell you about each piece, but it does come apart. Let me see. You show them we got y'all in there. Y'all can see, right? Okay. This part is actually on, wrong. It goes around like this. Well, I'm gonna show y'all that. Well, that's how it goes. Of course, you do that and open it up. And the trays are removable. So, I'm not really for sure. There aren't any dividers on this side. I don't know if they even come with it, or it's something I gotta get separate or however that is. But I don't see any. So it was brand new in the box, so I know it's not probably missing it. Probably from the fact that maybe it comes that way. And There may be something you could buy separate. But it goes like this. Let me did it lock in? No, I didn't lock in. It locked in the sink. Alright. I still didn't do that right there. I think I did, but yeah, there it is. I did do it right. But yeah, it just lock in, then you want to unlock it, you press that, and you take it off. So I'm gonna just sit that to the side. Then of course you got your next box right here. I had never even opened this other than at the store, so like I said, I'm new to it. So, oh, okay, see there, I'm already, I don't know what I'm thinking, but you know, it's the slide out deal. And then snap in. There you go. You got 3 of those. Can we see in the, God, man, I don't even want to open. Y'all see in there good? Okay, they can see. These are removable, so you better change these out to make it where you want to. Golly. I don't know why it's so hard to open it. There we go. Because you got one long tray here. Like I said, you can adjust all this to make it how you want to. So then this bottom here, you can't open it unless you take this top piece out. So I'm gonna do that. Let's get that down. All right, so come with like a tray. Did they see the inside good? Okay. All right, so you know, you can put all your big tools and stuff in there, drills and whatnot. Of course, it got the handle, so you'll be able to roll this around. And this roller actually pretty good right here in the grass, so that's gonna get the job done for me. I'm tired of carrying them bags around. I got some tool bags. You don't want to do all that. I would show y'all, but I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna go that far with it. But you can stack this any way you like. I'm just gonna put this back on, show you how easy it is. That's one. There. Okay. There we go. As you can see right there. Then I'm ready to go. See, just like that. Let me turn it around. Are we showing the material? Are we showing the
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm moving it with this. Demonstrating.
Yeah, you could have just did that, but you know. Okay, well, we're good to go. As y'all can see right there, you got the rails on the side. You can put accessories right here on each side on all 4 corners. Let me turn it on around. All right, so let that back down. But I bought an extra add-on. You can stay right there. This is an extra add-on right here. But you could buy a lot of different add-ons, but they had this one in stock, so as you can see. Let me get that open. I might need to come a little closer in just a second. That's the manual. You can look at that and however you want to do. See right there? That's the deep containers, just kind of like the other one that came with it. Except it has the deep containers. See? You can take all of these out and just adjust it how you want to as well. So yeah. So I'm gonna put that on there. There we go. It feels real heavy duty as well, so now I'll be ready to go. See, now I can just ride on out, see. Oh. But anyway, y'all can see what's going on, man. It's just a raw review, man. Y'all know I ain't gonna sugarcoat it. But y'all be sure to like, subscribe, and let me look and see what's in this book right quick. All the other products that they do sell. Well, it's just a lot of it. So it's not all on this one page. It's a whole bunch of it. They got coolers and everything. I seen something like you could hook on the side to hold an iPad or something. I don't know what it was. A phone or something, but I don't know. I seen it at the store, so I might check that out. But y'all want to check it out, I'm gonna try to leave a link down below. If not, of course, y'all know I'm gonna leave it in the description where you can pick it up. But see y'all back on the next one.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.